Welcome to this guide on hardware wallets. In the world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Hardware wallets represent the gold standard for protecting your digital assets. They offer maximum security through a technology called cold storage, keeping your private keys completely offline and away from potential online threats. Let's explore how these physical devices can safeguard your cryptocurrency investments. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys offline, completely isolated from internet-connected devices. Think of it as a specialized USB drive designed solely for securing cryptocurrency. It provides cold storage solution, meaning your keys never touch the internet. The device is air-gapped, creating a secure barrier between your assets and potential hackers. When you need to make a transaction, the hardware wallet signs it offline, ensuring your private keys remain protected at all times. This represents the ultimate protection layer for serious cryptocurrency holders. Software wallets and online exchanges expose you to numerous risks. Malware and keyloggers can steal your credentials. Phishing attacks trick users into revealing sensitive information. Remote hacking attempts target internet-connected devices. Exchange compromises can result in massive losses of funds. Hardware wallets defend against all these threats. They store your keys offline, preventing remote access. They require physical confirmation for every transaction, so no one can move your funds without the device. They operate in an isolated environment, immune to computer viruses. Most importantly, they give you self-custody control, meaning you and you alone control your cryptocurrency without relying on third parties. Two brands dominate the hardware wallet market. Ledger offers models like the Nano S Plus and Nano X. These devices feature a secure element chip, which is a specialized processor that protects against physical and software attacks. The Nano X includes Bluetooth connectivity, allowing wireless management through your smartphone. Ledger supports over 5,500 coins and tokens. Trezor, the original hardware wallet, offers the Model 1 and Model T. Trezor is known for its open-source firmware, allowing anyone to audit the code for security. The Model T features a touchscreen for easier navigation. Trezor supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies. Both brands provide excellent security, with slight differences in features and supported assets. Hardware wallets follow a four-step process to secure your transactions. First, they generate your private keys offline, inside the device itself. These keys are created during initial setup and never leave the device. Second, when you want to send cryptocurrency, an unsigned transaction is prepared on your connected computer. This transaction contains details like the recipient address and amount, but lacks cryptographic authorization. Third, the unsigned transaction is sent to your hardware wallet, which signs it internally using your private key. This signing happens inside the secure device, isolated from your computer. Fourth, the signed transaction is broadcast to the blockchain network. Only the signature and transaction details are transmitted. Your private key remains safely locked inside the hardware wallet throughout the entire process. Setting up a hardware wallet involves two main phases. During initial setup, first unbox and inspect your device carefully to ensure it hasn't been tampered with. Next, connect it to your computer using the provided USB cable. Then, install the official software from the manufacturer's website, never from third-party sources. Finally, initialize the device as new to begin the setup process. The security steps are critical. Set a strong PIN code that only you know. This PIN protects the device if someone physically steals it. Generate your recovery seed phrase, which is a series of 12 to 24 random words. Write this seed on paper using the card provided, keeping it completely offline. Never type it into any computer or take a photo. Finally, verify your seed phrase backup by confirming the words in the correct order on your device. This ensures you can recover your funds if the hardware wallet is lost or damaged. Your recovery seed is a 12 to 24 word phrase that can restore your entire wallet on a new device. This is critically important to understand. Whoever has access to this phrase controls your funds completely. There is no password reset, no customer service to call. The seed is your ultimate backup. Here's what you must do. Write it on paper or engrave it on metal for durability. Store it in a secure location like a safe or safety deposit box. Make multiple copies and keep them in different physical locations for redundancy. Here's what you must never do. Never store it digitally, whether in a Notes app, password manager, or cloud storage. Never take photos of your seed phrase, as photos can be hacked or accidentally backed up online. Never share it with anyone, not even customer support or family members, unless you explicitly trust them with complete access to your funds. Following best practices ensures maximum security for your hardware wallet. Always buy from the official source, purchasing directly from the manufacturer's website to avoid tampered devices. Keep your device's firmware updated by regularly checking for and installing software updates through the official application. Verify every transaction by carefully reviewing the recipient address and amount on the device screen before confirming. Test with a small amount first by sending a tiny transaction to verify everything works correctly before moving large sums. Use only trusted computers when connecting your hardware wallet, avoiding public or potentially infected devices. Finally, maintain secure physical storage by keeping both your device and recovery seed in safe, separate locations. A hardware wallet is only as secure as your practices around using it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.